Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a board in the Pinterest app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen, and then we tap on board. Here we can add a name to the board, for example cars. Then we can add collaborators as well, and we can set board visibility. But for now, let's just tap on next. And here we have some suggestions for cars to save. Let's add a few of these suggestions to our board. Like this, like this, like this. Very beautiful cars. And yeah, now we can tap on done. And here if we go into saved, we are going to find our boards here, and yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.